Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 10-pack of wood fiber cleaning cloths. Now these are really neat because it's actually kind of stiff as they are right now, but once you run it under some water, it'll thin right up. I mean, you can see that just kind of molding right out real easy. And then you can use these like you would a paper towel. So I'm just gonna get it, and now it squeezes all together really nice, and you have yourself a reusable, pretty much paper towel. So this would work good if you were just wiping off any sort of counters or anything. I mean, it cleans it all up. It's not leaving a lot of streaks. And they're about 10 inches or so as far as your diameter here. So that is really nice. You just rinse it off over and over again, and they don't have a weird odor like, you get a lot of sponges and stuff that you get. And the longer they sit, they get odors. So this is nice because like, look at all that, it just collected off my counter. It's kind of embarrassing and gross all at the same time. But all you got to do is just rinse it off and then set it out to dry, and it'll be ready again for next time. These are some great cloths to have whether you're dusting, cleaning off counters, doing dishes, because it saves you on all those paper towels. And these things are durable.